Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. In today's video, I will show you how to change your location in Bumble app. So, before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. And let's get started. So, first of all, you should have the Bumble app, but you should have the Bumble app with the paid version of it, not the free one, because in the free one you can't change your location. And also I should say that you can sometimes use some VPNs to change your location, but the dating apps like Bumble and Tinder can easily detect this VPN and they can even ban you from the app. So it's better to buy the paid version of the app instead of buying a VPN. So let's get started. So after you enter to the app, you go to your profile like this, and you click on the top right of the screen in the setting icon. And after that, you go down in this page until you find the word travel. You just click on it, and then you enter the location where you want to go in the app, of course. For example, I don't know, maybe I will write, let's see, for example, Tunis, which is the capital of Tunisia. And just you need to click on it like that, and as he say, welcome to Tunis. Your travel mode location is set to Tunis for the next 7 days. And after that, you can directly start swiping in the app. It's that easy. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.